Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 19th, 2023. We're going to talk about Litecoin real quick, give you all the price prediction into the market since our last price prediction has come to fruition. If I were to extend this idea over to the right, you guys can see that Litecoin actually hit our ultimate TP price right there on December the 9th. Even though initially the market did go lower, we should have, the only mistake that I did on this price prediction was I should have lowered the support area, maybe down to like $64, $65. That was it. But outside of that, the idea of us looking for Litecoin to go up definitely played out right. And it even topped out as to where we said it was going to go before the price went down. So let's go get rid of that. And now we're going to see whether or not Litecoin is still bullish, because it is. Currently, the trend hasn't been broken in Litecoin to the downside, but we do see that this area in the market in Litecoin is where sellers are. So we're going to identify that, and this is going to be like a lid for the buyers. If the price of Litecoin is really going to go higher, they had to take those sellers out of that zone up there at the top of the chart. Now, this area from yesterday's price action is telling me that the buyers did step in right there around $68. Okay, so this could be just a small area to where we do see buyers. Okay, so that would be a buy zone because the price in Litecoin did not go lower than that. So that's a buy zone. We might can do it a little bit closer if we look at this on the 11-minute chart. So you can actually see where the bottom into the market in Litecoin came through. And this is where the buy zone is. Okay, this is where buyers step through, open up their wallets, and begin purchasing Litecoin because maybe they said price is cheap. Maybe price is on discount, and they said let me come in and purchase some of the Litecoin here. Now, we're in a downtrend in the short term. Look at the chart. We're in a downtrend, okay, within a trend line, within the overall price ascending higher. So we may not be finished in the short term of looking for Litecoin to go lower. Here it is on the 2-day time frame. Okay, this 2-day time frame is confirming that those buyers did step through on the last 2 days right there. What about on the 3? Don't forget this 3-day price bar there, because since this 3-day price bar has been created and printed, look at the price action. What has the market done? It's gone lower. The only thing that's going to keep this price from going lower in Litecoin is this buy zone right here. That's the only thing that's going to keep it from going lower. You guys can see how many times those buyers did step through in Litecoin right here. Charts don't lie. They supported the price even back in November time frame. So let's not get it twisted. They need to hold it again in order for Litecoin not to continue to go lower. Here it is on the 5-day time frame. Take a look at Litecoin on the weekly. I don't like the weekly time frame right here. Here it is on the 2. I don't like the 2 weekly time frame there. Here it is on the 3 weekly. 5 more days. I won't like this 3 weekly price bar neither if I'm a buyer. If I'm looking for the price to go up in Litecoin, I don't like that right now, because the market actually is telling me that the market is weak. Okay, so even though we did see an initial hold into the market in Litecoin on the daily time frame, don't forget the weekly charts. That's all I'm going to tell you. Don't forget the weekly, the 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and the 5 weeks time frame, because that gives us a longer viewpoint as to what the market is really feeling like. Even though we do see on a short-term basis that the market is currently trending to the upside, it's trying to go up. But then when you look at this on the hourly chart, the 7-hour chart, there's a massive sell zone right here. Look how big that sell zone is. This is a sell zone, meaning that every time price attempts to trade within this range, it gets rejected and go down. Charts don't lie. Look at that. It got rejected there. It got rejected on these 3 7-hour bars. Market went down. So as we see the market in Litecoin attempt to trade back up to around like 73.27, it needs to break through that sell zone in order for us to really see the market go up. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. You guys can even see it cleaner here. Here's one. And here's the next one. So there's a lot of sell zones right now into the market in Litecoin that the demand and the buyers will have to overcome in order for the price to really go higher. Okay, so let me do this. I'm going to play the market to the downside in Litecoin. Okay, I'm going to look for the price to go lower. First target is going to be right here where we've already established buyer's hold price, which is probably like $68. Okay, 4.48% there. My second target is going to be around 66, 7.2%. And then the third target would take us all the way down here towards this trend line that we already know overall the price action in Litecoin is on. And that would give us around 10% there. Okay, so we got it pretty wide range for Litecoin for this trading price prediction, but we understand the reason why. Extend this over. Okay, I'm done. You guys are up. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.